So this is Lovable.dev, okay? This is how the website look like. To get to it, you just write in Google Lovable, and you probably get to it, okay? So basically, let's talk about what's possible. You can import Figma file, okay? I honestly don't see the point. The whole point is to make things faster. I don't want to design stuff in Figma before, but if you want to do it, it's fine, do it. I don't really think it's that much important feature. Another thing that they did, like they made here like a text prompt, and they encourage people to just like write their whole idea. Like a lot of people just go to Notion or whatever and you know, copy their whole system and paste it. It's cute, it's fine, but it's not the right way to work. It for sure do you problems. It for sure will make stuff you didn't intend to do. And I just don't believe in it. I believe in making stuff properly, because if you actually want to make something that will work with clients, you need to know what's going on. So the first thing you're going to do is, before you even start, you're going to go to settings, account setting, and I want you to activate the chat mode, okay? It's really, really important. I don't know why they don't do it as a default, but you want to activate the chat mode, okay? So let's get back to Lovable, and now we are going to go to our Notion, to Lovable.dev prompt plan, and we are just going to copy that, okay? It's going to be that much simple. Every time we're going to take our instructions, copy paste them, and fix errors, and move on each time to the next prompt. So let's copy that, and yes, that's what you want. You want to create new blank project, okay? This is what you want to do. Trust me about it, okay? Anything else, we're going to make you problems. And press enter. And now Lovable going to do his thing. So what he's actually doing, he's making all the libraries, installing libraries, he's making you a new working area to work on, in making new project files, okay? He's doing a lot of stuff now behind the scenes. This is why we just want to create new blank project. I wish they would just do it. And yeah, it's considered one prompt. While he's doing it, let me explain you a little bit about the pricing. So about Lovable, you have each day 5 free prompts to send. It means you have 150 prompts in a month for free. Besides that, if you pay them $20, you get 100 prompts. Now, I believe between 100 to 200 prompts is completely enough to make a functional system. So it means you only need to invest around $20 because you have also the free prompts. If you will like divide it for a few days, you can make 150 prompts in around 10 days, okay? And if you pay also $20. And as we can see, Lovable finished to make our new project. Nothing really going on here right now. He did like invent some stuff, but it's all good because nothing here like really working. We only have one page index, and that's great. The next thing we want to do, let's get back to Notion. Define project knowledge, okay? So I want you guys to copy what it's written for you guys, a new project. And what exactly is the project knowledge? If you will open here the wheel, you will see a hidden border, not a lot know about, which called manage knowledge. It's basically some kind of way for Lovable to understand what is your project about. It's like a biography kind of thing. So let's just paste it. And that's great. And we can actually also, as you can see, you can define the coding structure here and even some of the design. So let's actually go back to our documentation. Okay, great. I think that's what we want. So we want the mobile optimization, icons, and so on. We don't want to take stuff that are too much specific. And let's pass it down and save. Okay, so we have a new project knowledge. Okay, so we finished creating our new project. The next thing we are going to do is connect it to our backend, make authentication page, and only then we are going to start and actually developing, okay? So I will meet you in the next video.